stenographer, her husband would still be sound asleep. Ray would type letters all day, then dance all night at the burlesque theater. When she finally staggered home well after...
Oh, look at that. He's gonna do a U-turn.
I would go. Fuck him.
Oh, that's what pushed me.
Had this gone south, you'd have got 100% of the blame for it. So, and this is the green light.
Through her bag, she withdrew a pistol. Charlotte Shelby's .38. The sooner this was out of their lives, the better. Mrs. Miles flung the filthy thing away from her. The gun splashed down into the bayou. Through her rheumy old eyes, Julia Miles watched shots were distributed all over town. Gibby climbed the uneven stairs back to her room and waited for her contacts to call. Children without a parent or guardian would be arrested. Officers would patrol the aisles and pluck out any child. These children for a large percentage of their receipts. But now, with the city's women's clubs and many religious groups backing Mrs. O'Grady in her campaign, exhibitors had little recourse. People were angry. The present system wasn't working, the reformers charged. And they were
Snoop Dogg on the back of that van. From California. Snoop Dogg. You know who Snoop Dogg is?
350-350 to schedule your free consultation today.
Hi, this is Tom Drexler. My name really is my phone number.
If you have a plumbing, heating, or cooling problem, grab your phone, dial
Tom Drexler. You'll receive fast, professional service.
move on with her life.
Motorcycle with training wheels.
And then
Smith as he was with Hickok. Or his lawyer. Remember when he was in the hospital with that phony starvation routine? And his dad sent the postcard.
Where are you trying to go?
Well, the warden wrote Perry's dad and said he was welcome to come here anytime.
That's a great exchange. It's just so funny because when Clint Eastwood was really in the prime of his career, he still talked like
that
this.
was fucking close.
Like it.
Get your free credit scorecard today, even if you're not a Discover customer. It includes your FICO credit score, and checking your scorecard won't hurt your credit. Learn more at discover.com/credit scorecard. Limitations apply.
Embrace your inner elf this holiday season with